Here's another IGCSE question about nuclear physics, okay? So, a radioactive source emits alpha, beta, and gamma radiation. Which of these radiations has the shortest range in air? This is going to be alpha because it can be stopped by air sometimes or even by a thin sheet of paper. Negative charge, of course, beta, it is equivalent to the electron, is not deflected by a magnetic field, of course, gamma radiation, because gamma is not deflected by any sort of magnetic field or electric field. Part B. In a famous experiment carried out in a vacuum, a very thin sheet of gold was placed in the path of the alpha particle. So this is actually Ernest Rutherford's alpha scattering gold foil experiment. It was found that a large number of the alpha particles passed through the sheet with little or no deflection from their original path. A very small number of alpha particles were reflected back and towards the source. Explain in terms of the force acting why the direction of motion of an alpha particle changes when it comes close to the nucleus of the gold atom. It is for 2 marks, so of course the first thing we must state that the alpha particle has a positive charge and the atomic nucleus also has a positive charge because it contains positive protons. So due to repulsion force of the positive alpha and positive nucleus or positive protons, there was repulsion and the alpha particle had a change in direction or reflected. State 2 conclusions about the nuclei of atoms that were made from the results of this experiment. Of course, the gold foil experiment, Ernest Rutherford experiment, he had 3 conclusions. The first one was that most of the atom consists of empty space because all the alpha particles pass through, almost all of them pass through. For the alpha particles that deflected with the angle of declaration, this is due to the atomic nucleus being positively charged due to the positive protons, and of course, due to some of the alpha particles bouncing back from the nucleus, meaning the atom consists of a heavy, dense nucleus at the center of the atom where the mass of the atom is concentrated. So it's 2 marks. You can state all the 3 results of Ernest Rutherford's experiment.